how to sign out of Yahoo Mail from all the devices. If you want to sign out of your Yahoo Mail account from all the devices that maybe you're currently logged into, we can use the Yahoo Mail app to achieve that. Open up the Yahoo Mail app and tap on the Yahoo Mail icon from the top left. There, find the option Manage Account and tap on it. Then go to the option Account Info for the account that you want to remove the remotely login sessions. From here, go to the option Recent Activity. You might think that we are trying to go to security, but no, in security, we do not have the option. So as I said, go to Recent Activity. If it asks you for a confirmation, go ahead and then confirm it. Here, just scroll down to Connected Devices and Apps. Then select View All Connected Devices and tap on it. There, what you have to do is you'll see all the devices currently logged into your account. So you can just select the Details button next to a certain device that you may do or do not recognize. And as soon as you've done that, right there you can see the option Sign Out. So of course, you can tap the Sign Out button there, tap on Sign Out of Session if you do or do not recognize, and you'll be successfully signed out. And similarly, you can repeat the process for all the other sessions as well. So I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.